Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I am back with another tarot card reading. So today's topic is I am doing the specific zodiac reading. The sign is the Virgo, and I'm talking about their love life, their love reading, what's coming up next in their love life. So today's topic is, so now let's check out the things what is coming up them in their love life. If you are Virgo and watching this video, it doesn't matter you are in a relationship or not, whether you're single or married or something like that, you can watch this video. If you are Virgo, you can pick the messages which are resonates with you, and if the messages are not resonating with you, then leave for the others, because it's just in general reading. It may or may not resonate with everyone out there. And if you need any kind of personal reading from my channel, so you can contact me through my channel. The contact information is in the description box. Go and check out there, so you can contact me. I'll give you the personal reading as well. So now let's start with the sign the Virgo. Let me remind you, when I am shuffling the cards, thinking about your person in your mind, so I can tap into his energies. It can be easy for me to tapping into his energies, so that can I tell you what's going on there and what's coming up in your love life next. Now let's start it. What's coming up in your love life? Two of Wands, King of Swords, Five of Swords. Okay, there is some kind of conflicts going on with you guys, or there is some kind of disputes going on due to the differences are here, due to the emotional thoughts are here, and some kind of things are which is very secretive in his mind, and he is not open to that. Because of that, you are in a situation where you both are getting into the fight. Most of the times there is a fight also, there is an arguments also, there is a things which is bothering in your relationship, and you need the support from him or her, because they you both are support each other. You both are very much in favor of each other. You both are very much compatible with each other, but still there is a differences a lot, because he's having or she's having a thing in his mind which is bothering him a lot, and there's a secretive thing which he's not come out of that situation. That's why his frustration come out of on you, and I do see there's a frustration is coming, and he do always like that to be a fight or in that conflicting situation. Where is he right now? Let me take more cards. Don't worry, because there is a too much love, there is a too much care, and there is a concern in your relationship. Your relationship is completely protected by the universe and by the angels. There is a blessing in your relationship. You two are sharing the mutual and the equal bond with each other. But yes, there is a few, and even not, I don't say few, I do say more. Nowadays more. There is a differences there in your relationship, but don't worry about it. Your relationship will be good, on the good terms, and you will be get back together in the coming week time. And for definitely there is a positiveness in your relationship, but now only due to this differences you are not able to see the things very clearly. You are getting too much confused, not see the things. Your relationship is going upside down. Why? Because of the differences. So if you are having any secret from him, if you are watching this video and you are having any secret from him, just try to come out of it, open it, and avoid this situation. Because when you are doing this, the things will be going to be normal. And if he is doing so, then just let it be. Give him a time, only try not to drag into his any kind of argument. Just try to let him avoid. Whatever he says to you doesn't matter. Just try to avoid the things. If you do so, the things will be get improved. I really say so. Try to follow these guidance, and please try to follow these guidance. Ace of Wands, King of Wands, Page of Pentacles, Ten of Wands. So I do pick here is the Ace of Wands card is here. First of all, there's a new beginning coming in your love life. If you are in a no contact situation, or if you are in a single, if you are a single, so there is a new man coming in your love life through your friend. You already know this person. It can be your friend in the past, and you are seeing he as a very strong personality, and you are like a magnet nowadays. So you are attracting this person in your love life, and there's a Ace of Wands cards here. If you are in a no contact situation, then for surely you will be in a contact situation. You will attract this person back in your love life, and he will be with you for sure. But now for a few days you will be in a very much in a confusion zone, where you are not able to thinking in a very positive way, where you will get the lack of communication problem, and there's so many things because of the responsibilities, and you are taking everything on your shoulders like a burden or a liability. Just try to avoid that, because if you are keep doing this, or you are doing this, then it will only give you the hurt back situation. It will not serve you in the best situation. Just try to avoid this. Only take it as a positive way, and don't consider any responsibility as a burden. Just take it as a responsibility only. Take the time out for yourself also. Enjoy your moments, love yourself, value yourself, give yourself attention. And you are if facing the so much argument, then try to avoid these arguments. Give him a time and the space, and try to avoid the conflicts. Only try to lighten the mood. I hope it's real. I know, and I know really very know that the things are getting very difficult when the chaos or the misunderstanding is there. We are not able to handle it. We are just only to screamed out and yelled out. I understand, but only the thing is we have to manage. If we love each other, then we have to manage. Someone has to bend. So why not you? I know you were saying like, ma'am, why always me? Why me only? It's not about you. It's about the whole thing. It's about what you give to the others. Then they will pay you back. So this is what, if we give the love will be pay back to us. So you have to be open for that. Now let's take out some oracle guidance. Card is already jumped out of the deck. I should take this. Compromise and look for a sign. So you have to look for a signs that someone is coming in your way. So you have to be open, and you have to be open your eyes. Don't shut yourself out because of that responsibilities issues. Just to be open, and only try to see the things clearly, because the things are not in a good way. And if you want to be with this man who are having a differences, or who are taking the secrets from you, just compromise it, because you are in love. And move on, it's not the easy word to say right now, because you both are having or sharing the equal bond. Your love is pure, your love is defined, so you have to be uh, do this. Just try to do this, follow this. Or if you need any kind of help, or you don't get the answers, so you can contact me for the personal readings as well. So this is it for today, Virgo. Uh, I'll come back again. So this is it for today. Now let me leave. So this is okay, then bye bye, take care.